Handmade cell phone cases. Hey, it's Bill Conley here, and I thought I'd explain this to you. A number of years ago, when the iPhones were smaller, I made a whole bunch of these. Didn't sell many, so I still got quite a few of them left. So probably what I'll do is one day I'll take them apart and drill out the rivet and I'll save this part right here and use it for making a holster or something. But anyway, back then, the size of that iPhone was this, and it fit the iPhone. But then they put case wrappings around it, so the iPhone got bigger. So then you had to make this bigger again. You had to expand it. So when I went and bought, I finally jumped away from the iPhone and I went to a Note 3 and I bought that. And guess what? They gave me a little case that looked just like this. You can see it. It has a magnet in it actually, and I put some Velcro here. And then you can see there's Velcro in the back. It opens up, and hey, it's a perfect pattern. So what happened was I bought this case that has a battery pack in the back, and the cell phone goes in here and it locks down, and this is a cover for it. Well, guess what? It made the cell phone too big for this. So what I did is I traced this out on a piece of white cardboard paper, and then I cut that out, and then I took the white cardboard paper, and with the cell phone in this, I turned around and I formed it around to make sure it would work. Once I did that, then I took and I transferred it over to a piece of leather. Now, one thing you got to keep in mind here, leather's thickness makes a difference. So if you're using 7 to 8 ounce on this, and although your piece of white cardboard may have came out right and being a little bit larger, you still got to take into account that 7 to 8 ounce leather is probably going to add almost an extra 1/4 of an inch. So you need to add another 1/8 of an inch on each side, wherever it's going to wrap around there. So could I make one that's generic for everybody? I don't think so, unless you want to make a big bag, just drop it into and you fish around the bag and pull it out, because one phone could be this big and that long, like the iPhone used to be, and you could have the Note 3 or Note 4 or Note 5, and those things are big. And so making a generic, yeah, you can make a generic bag, but most people want a cell phone case that's going to fit. So, hey, I hope this has been helpful for you, and you take care and have a great day. Bye now.